how to connect a rain sensor to your Captain8. So if you got a rain sensor, it'll shut your vents whenever it's too rainy outside to prevent your crop from getting wet. So this is what a rain sensor looks like. You've got a mounting bracket. You mount this out wherever you want on the side. This is the top part. When this gets wet, it's going to be raining. So that's just how you mount it. It comes with a quick connect pigtail, the extension cord, and then the pigtail that mounts inside your controller. And I'll show you how to connect this real quick. It's actually really easy. Cord comes with 5 wires in it, but we do not use the gray wire. So we go ahead and snip that off before we get started. And then it's labeled right here, rain sensor number 1. It says white, so you get the white wire. Brown is... Actually, you should turn the power off to do this. For this video, the power is actually on. But it's labeled white, brown, blue, black, and it matches the wire colors in here. If you need to change the length of this cord, you can snip it off and the colors will still be the same. The same as the extension cord, has the exact same colors and they're going to hold out. So you've got this connected to your control. You've got this connected to your controller. Then the next comes your extension cord. You plug the extension cord in. Then the next comes your rain sensor. So there, now I've got it completely hooked up, and to tell if it works, you had to rub it and make there. You can just see the green light in there. That tells you it's sensing rain, and that came from me rubbing it vigorously with my hand. It works a little bit better if you have a wet hand, but just even with a dry hand, really rubbing it should bring it on within 10 seconds or so for our default setting. So that's how you tell if the rain sensor is sensing rain. If this is green, it's sensing rain. If you can't figure out if it's working or not, use your voltmeter. Make sure you've got 24 volts between the black and the blue. It even says right here on the board 24 volts, 0 volts. You can check that. You can check the voltage between the white and the brown as well. So that's the main concept of the rain sensor. So once you have your rain sensor hooked up, you actually have to program it. You have to tell the controller that it's connected. So to enable the rain sensor, press on the temperature, configuration, just scroll, vent number 1's rain sensor, put that to a value of 1, because you can actually connect more than one rain sensor, but just put it to a value of 1 because that's for the default sensor. Hit save for vent number 1 setting. Vent number 2, do you want that one to close when it rains? Maybe, maybe not. So leave it to 0 if you don't. Now it's going to restart. Now it's going to show raining or not raining at the top, and that's how you check between the green light on it and the raining or not raining is how you know if it's working. It's like right here, no rain. So now it's raining because the light is green. So that means everything is well. If this stays raining and the green light is on the rain sensor, you're good to go.